guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to More Living Life. If this is your first time, thanks so much for stopping by. If this is not, thank you for coming back to my lifestyle channel. My name is Musun. I'm not sure I mentioned that yet. And welcome to another vlog. So I didn't plan on starting this vlog until like 10 minutes ago. And so today's Thursday, and I figured I'll do a weekend vlog this weekend, but I realized I had a couple of things happening today, tomorrow, even on Saturday, maybe Sunday, I'm not sure. So I thought to take you guys along from today, because why not? So welcome to a few days in my life as I wind down for the week and get into all the fun stuff I have planned, or I hope to do. So yeah, this, if you watched my last, I think, vlog, you know I took out my wig and I took out my braids and my edges are crying. I can't make braids for another, say, 3 months if I like myself, and I plan on doing something to my hair tomorrow. But I went out today. I've been forced to work outside of the house for the past 2 days because I've been having Wi-Fi issues, and my mobile data service too has been bad. So I had to go out. I went to work at some cafe that I checked out before, so it wasn't my first time there, so I didn't bother taking you guys along. Yeah, so I've been working out of the house for the past 2 days basically, and it's 6 p.m. now. I just got back in past 6 already. And right now I'm about to look for something. I'm going out and I need to change, but I think I will stick to this bodysuit and just I'm wearing jeans currently. I think I'll just probably wear another maybe a short skirt or shorts or something. I hope I find something I like. If not, I'll probably just wear a dress. And then I'm trying to see if I can meet up with the salon to straighten my wig, because I don't want to cover my hair out at night. I felt like I looked like I was going to church when I tied this scarf earlier. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. I won't make this intro a long one. Yeah, so this is a look, and I'm heading out now. I'm going to 2 places actually. I ended up straightening my hair here instead of going out, because I realized it made no sense since I am making my hair tomorrow and the salon closes at 7 p.m. anyways. So yeah, I'm heading to 2 places. One's a restaurant and the other is a lounge. I'll show you guys when I get there, and yeah, that's kind of wild for a Thursday, but not that wild to be honest. Anyways, let's go. Bye.
You have always dreamed about. Time to love the journey, time to focus on the now. Listen to the piano. Let's take a break, I'll bake you a cake. Pour you some Hennessy and I'll pour myself a Patron.
Praise. Less than an hour to the release. Whoop whoop. Yes. First single of 2023. It's called Mission, and we're about to premiere it here for the first time ever. Nobody has seen it. This is the first time. You're seeing it here first. at Avant-Garde, and Praise is here. So enjoy. You guys have to see this. It's really, really good. Enjoy! I need you.
Everything you do is not me in position.
Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage.
So I am here at the salon and I'm about to cut my hair. Yeah. Say hi to Jordan. Yep. You guys should wait for the after. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so we've gotten off most of the hair.
Hey! Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get 5 base set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got
Hi guys, so it's Friday night. I'm about to head out. It's past midnight. And it's even like this vlog is going to be a very outside focused vlog. I'm not complaining and I'm not sure, and I don't think you guys are. Anyways, let's address the elephant in the room, aka my new look. So I don't know how I feel about it yet. I posted when I was cutting my hair on close friends on Instagram, and my friends are insulting me. Some of my friends asking me why I cut my hair, because I am that impulsive. Like I only told like 2 of my friends I was cutting my hair yesterday. I already decided to cut it yesterday night, and here we are. I don't know how I feel about it yet, because I had fears about the hair falling, like because of the heat and stuff, and it is doing just that, because this is meant to be a bit higher, and it's doing just that. And if you guys know anything about me, you should know that I do not know how to style hair. If there's an echo, sorry, I'm in the bathroom. I just wanted it to be closer to the camera, and I didn't want to use the my front camera anyways, because it's nighttime already, there's no sunlight, and yeah, I didn't want horrible quality. So anyways, I'm heading out now. Last night, from the clips, I'm getting you guys know that Praise just released his first official single of 2023, and yeah, this weekend is mainly partying with Praise mainly. So yeah, last night was a lot of fun, and tonight we're heading to Velvet. It's the official party for the release. If you guys saw the second part of my December vlog, you would have seen that behind the scenes I was at. It was the video for this song. So yeah, it's a really good song. I will put a link in my description if you've not heard it yet, if you've not seen the video too. It's very steamy, for lack of another word, but anyways, yeah, it's really nice. But yeah, right now, so we're going to Velvet. I'm waiting for Abigail. She told me to get ready for 11:30. It's almost 12:30, so at least I am not the worst when it comes to timekeeping. Anyways, yeah, so this hair, I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I most likely need to get a small straightener that I don't own currently, but yeah, I'm just going to try to make it work. I hope I don't hit it. I'm going out again tomorrow in the morning and in the night, so you guys will see me. But yeah, let's go to the club. I'm not a fan of what's it called, Velvet, and I said I wasn't going to go there again after the last time I went there, because I didn't really like something about the place. But because of praise, I'm going now. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fun. I'm gonna be with my friends, and yeah. Anyways, bye. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Yeah, hope you're enjoying my vlog so far. This is just an outside series. I promise you, we're outside this weekend. I think I'm making up for not going out in the last week of December because I was ill. So yeah, bye. When I said I didn't love you so, I never should have let you go. I never felt the feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice.
Why should I stop?
How you feeling?
Why should I
After the
stop?
release of your single, your first single video for the year.
Oh, 2023! Oh, 2023!
Talk to my manager.
Hi guys, so today is a beach day. We're going to La Cher. I couldn't speak to you guys earlier because I woke up late. I was rushing. I must be here for 10 a.m. But anyways, it's noon already. We're about to go to the beach. I'm going with my friends and I will take guys with me. Last night was a little too much. But yeah, we move. And I'm out again tonight. Pray for me guys, pray for me. Anyways, let's go to the beach.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June.
Not talk about having a birthday party 2 months after her birthday. It's your birthday party, dearie.
Oh, I keep on running from the truth. Was that nah? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't.
Say hi to the owner of Bounce Zone. So those ball things you saw us doing on the beach, yeah, this is her thing, and she does like games for parties, beach parties, games. And do you know what? I will plug her in the description. I'll put her Instagram handle below.
No mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta?
So I got pushed into the pool, and my hair is finished. My hair is finished for today.
Hope you free your soul.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wanna